but is there anything that manufacturers can do to prevent those frauds besides, try to stay informed? Because we saw a lot of strange things in the recent years, ethylene oxide, soy lecithin with peanuts again, the mustard in wheat in Italy, all big contamination, in some cases probably not voluntary, not coming from frauds, but something that was quite strange to see popping up at that scale without anybody noticing that there was a problem.
Yeah. I think nowadays, already mentioned the project that was funded by the European Commission that will develop new tools, but there are actually already a number of tools on the market that basically allow the screen of incoming raw materials using very simple technology. It needs a little bit of setup, but it ultimately allows what we call a smart sampling. So imagine you have like 100 bags coming in, and you sample from 5 of those bags. You have a 1 in 20 chance to find the bag in the 100 bags that contains the contamination. So your risk of missing that is fairly high. Now, some of those devices, many of those devices actually are what we call point and shoot. So you just hold it into the bag, push a button, you get a result immediately. So it takes you about maybe 5 minutes to screen the 100 bags, and you know exactly if one profile is matching, it will raise an alarm, and then you can sample that bag and send it to the laboratory. So this is something that I see food manufacturer can already do now. And we have a lot of experience with those companies providing the tools, but also with the deployment of these tools, what the framework. So if anybody needs some help there, we're certainly happy to advise on what the best product might be. I think this is a trend, and this is in line with a project that the European Commission funded. We're certainly seeing the first line of analytical defense shifting from the food testing laboratory to the food manufacturer side, even if they may not have a food testing lab on site. They don't need it anymore because most of the screening tools are handheld devices where you don't need a laboratory setup for. So it will become much easier in the future.